so he can elect the members of the minority in the different committees, Mr. President.
All right, the minority leader is recognized,
you.
Senator Alan Cayetano.
With your permission, Senate President, may I
Go ahead.
continue? For the Committee on Agriculture, Food and Agrarian Reform, under Chairperson Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Kiko, Villar Mark as Vice Chair, Marcoleta Rodante, Go Christopher Bong, Padilla, Robin Hood, Legarda Loren, De La Rosa, Ronald Villar Camille, and Amy Marcos as Deputy Minority Leader. May I continue, Mr. President, to the other committees?
Yes, you're moving to elect them.
Yes, Mr. President.
So elected.
Thank you.
May
Mr.
proceed.
President, for the Committee on Banks, Financial Institution, and Currencies, Senator Estrada as Chairperson, Mark Villar as Vice Chairperson, Camille Villar, Christopher Bongo, and Amy Marcos as Deputy Minority Leader for 5 members in the minority, Mr. President.
What
May
is
I-
that committee again?
Banks, Financial Institutions, and Currencies. Sorry, Senator Mark.
Senator.
Senator Mark. Yeah.
Senator Mark Villar as chair.
1 minute. Sir.
Session suspended.
Sorry, last week when we thought that we will get the other committee. So the chair is Senator Mark Villar, and then the members, Mr. President, is Camille Villar, Senator Bongo, Senator Amy. So far, Mr. President.
All right, that is on the part of the minority.
Yes,
So elected.
For the Committee on Constitutional Amendments and Revisions of Code, Senator Bongo, Senator Padilla, Robin Hood, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Estrada, and Senator Marcos Amy. Mr. President.
Are so elected members?
Yes.
Any objection? Hearing none.
Padilla
So
is
elected.
chairman. Ano ba si Padilla siya? Sandali ha. Is Padilla.
How many members are there in that particular committee? Costi? 6 for the minority. Currently, sino? So,
It's been
minority-
clarified, Mr. President. So 6 members for the minority.
All right, so elected.
Mr. President, for the Committee on Cooperatives, Go, Legarda, Marcoleta, Villar, Camille, Mr. President. So that's 5 members, including the chairperson.
Any objection? Hearing none, so elected.
Thank you. Mr. President, for the Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by the Honorable Risa Ontiveros, Legarda, Padilla, Marcoleta, Villar, Camille, and Amy Marcos as Deputy Minority Leader. So 5 members for the minority.
Any objection? Hearing none, so elected.
Sir President, for the Committee on Energy, chaired by the Honorable Erwin Tulfo, Cayetano Pia, Marcoleta Dante, Go Christopher, Padilla, Robin Hood, De La Rosa, Villar Camille, and Marcos Amy, for a total of 7 members from the minority, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, so elected.
That's all for now, Mr. President. Thank you.
We need 2 more members for the Committee on Ethics from the minority.
Yes, Mr. President.
Right now, it's only Senator Amy Marcos who is elected member. So,
Yes.
if
We're just discussing the other dynamics of the but we will be able to name them very soon. Mr.
Soon.
President.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Minority Leader. Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move for the reference of business.
This